Hey guys, welcome back to NSI Garage. Tonight I have my 1986 Trek road bike, and I got this bike to do a triathlon with, and I wanted just to do some quick service on it. Mostly the hubs on the wheels here. They haven't been greased since 1986, and I wanted to make sure this thing's running top notch, nice and smooth, get the best times I can, and most of all to preserve it because it's a really cool bike. Back in the day, it was a $800 or $900 bike, which by today's money is about $2,300. So it's really nice. I really like it, and I'm broadcasting today for my brand new GoPro 8, which I'm really pumped about to finally get a big upgrade on. So I popped the front wheel off, as you can see, and we have the front spindle here. We have the bearing races here and here, a couple of washers, the jam nut to keep the hub tensioned properly, and of course the locks to keep it in the front fork properly. If you're wondering what this little guy is, this is kind of cool. It is a vintage odometer that goes on the front wheel and actually runs off a small rubber band, which I think is super cool. That's what this little black ring here is for. So if we look down into the hub here, you can actually see the ball bearings. There's 10 on each side. This one, I got one out here so you can see it. They were in good shape, but the grease was really old and I wanted to freshen it up. Being a car guy, I am going to be using Valvoline 4 Lincoln Mercury Moly fortified multi-purpose wheel bearing grease. I like it because it's very thin, and if it's good enough for an F550, then it's got to be fine for a little bike. We're going to pop all of these little bearings out, and they're on both sides, so you got to be careful. I've already packed this one full, and you need a lot of grease in them to keep them all in there. Like I said, there's 10 on each side. I'm going to try to keep the dirt out of it as much as I can. Try to set this up here. But the video today will be on the other side. So I'm going to clean them, take them out, just wipe it down, repack it with grease, and and then push the bearings back in it, and then I'll show you how to torque the hub properly. Taking them, just wiping them off. I don't want to use any solvent on them. If you use the wrong solvent, it'll actually stick to the ball and won't allow grease to actually touch the ball. It'll keep a layer, and that's exactly what you don't want, and then you don't have any lubrication on anything. Okay, we got all 10 in there. The grease keeps them in place. We're going to take the one side off here. Spring, end cap, Pull that out. Spring. Jam nut. Keyed washer. Other washer. And the bearing race. Apply a little bit of grease to the shaft and the races, and then we'll torque it together. You want the threaded part to be equal on both sides, and that's what's going to sit in the fork. And that's it. Much quieter. I like that. I like that a lot. Here, our nice grease film, protecting, lubricating, perfect. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe for more videos, hit the like button. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody. Any comments, questions, if I did anything wrong, let me know. Thanks for watching NSI Garage. Thank you. Okay, we have the same thing on the back end. 10 ball bearings each side. Greased the one side with the anti-rollback, I guess we can call it. Need a special tool to get it out. I'm not bothered taking all that out, but I did shove a bunch of fresh grease in it. And we're gonna clean up these gears and stuff before we put it together. I just want to show you how to take some of this old grease and varnish on here. So we just have a paper towel, a little bit of solvent, a lot of solvent. Get all the old grease out of here. It'll make the bike look a lot better too. See how we got all this junk off of here? Again, you want to keep the one jam nut in place when you take it apart. That way you don't have to readjust the entire axle. Apparently it's an Atom 7 Compact. Couldn't even see that before. Kind of cool. I really don't know much about these old vintage bikes, but this one is really, really cool. I really like it. Got a bubble. Where's here? Nut.
What are you doing, Heller?
Tune up.
Tune up.
Hey guys, I just got back from my test drive of my bike being all tuned up, and I got caught in a thunderstorm for the past 2 miles. So I'm going to do a quick review on things that are waterproof. Fitbit Charge 4, waterproof. The GoPro Hero 8, waterproof. I did just lubricate the chain on it too with a product called Fluid Film, so that should be fine. I'll probably hit it again tomorrow. This bike thing, I can't even know how to pronounce it. Let's see. Yep, that's waterproof. And I have this pack that I got from Amazon to do my Spartan races, and that also is waterproof because it is all plastic on the inside. I'm going to do a review on that too, because I went 14 miles through the Spartan race for it, and it was fantastic. I'm going to go dry off. Thanks for watching, and a NSI Garage. Thank you.